Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey at home after dark in the rain. We got a train whistle coming. Let's listen in. This is the murder mystery Halloween dinner train ride. We're listening in right now. This is the former Canadian National Unit, in case you're just wondering. It's like a downpour out here today, and it's like 45 degrees outside right now. Car. Yeah. This is their first and only OC&T run today because they haven't done a murder mystery thing in a couple of months because all this month is the fall foliage runs. We should have another crossing by McDonald's any second. Yeah, so it's like cold and damp out this evening, heading into tomorrow. There goes crossing McDonald's right now. So the last thing they're gonna be crossing is the Perry Street station. This is their final. In case we just we didn't know, this is their final murder mystery dinner train rides of the year and it's a Halloween edition. On this Saturday, October 23rd, 2021. Winding down the train ride events this year. I might be wrong. I was thinking it was McDonald's, but it might be across the Perry just a second ago. And here the last one lone blast of the whistle here in just a minute. Hopefully the traffic can go away for a minute, and then we'll hear that one long blast of the whistle here. There you go. Another live listening to the train. Another live listening to the train by Oil Creek and Titusville Railroad on my another live listening to the train whistle event from Jeffrey the YouTube Jeffrey's regular channel on YouTube. All right, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. We'll be back on. All right. Well, all right. That's gonna be it. We'll be back on. I think we should hear one more whistle or two, and then we're pretty much gonna be at. Cause this is the only train they're gonna be running is the murder mystery thing. Because all the train rides are over except for Halloween and Christmas. So we should be passing freight right about now. Unless or unless they mowed the freight the other day or something. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. We'll be back on Monday. We'll be back on Monday on my Train Expert channel, or Monday, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to my Train Expert channel on Monday. We'll see. If not, it's going to Wednesday, depending on how feel she is, how feel Jolene is. So we'll see about that. So that's going to be it for this video. We'll talk to you guys we'll be back on Monday or Wednesday, depending on how feel her stomach is. So we'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for joining us here on my regular channel on YouTube.